The first thing you need to know about investing, guys, investing is not for the weak. Like your heart must be very strong, like very, very strong. Hey guys, so welcome back to All Shades of Chantel. I'm Chantel. And so today I want us to talk about investing, especially as a Nigerian in diaspora. I know that many times when we hear about investing, it's not the usual real estate. There's so much more about investing that I'm beginning to learn about. And so today I will be sharing something that I've learned and just broken down in the most simplified form to where I don't get to use all these big words that you'll be using that sound so scary. So today, let's do it. Investing 101. Now, quick PSA before we get into the full scope of this video today. Before we even talk about investing, before you even start investing, I hope you have at least 3 to 6 months worth of emergency funds saved. Now, I say this because when you start to invest, whether long-term or short-term, you don't want to be dipping your hand into your investments. You want to have liquid cash. So guys, before you even start thinking about investing, make sure that you have saved at least 3 months worth of emergency funds. And as you go along in your investment journey, you keep saving, have liquid cash so that you're not always quick to dip your hands into your liquid funds to offset emergencies. Now let's get right back into this video. So you've probably heard a lot of people say investing, especially when you come to the diaspora, and it's just everywhere. But sometimes you may not really understand like the full scope of what this is. So basically, in the layest man term possible, investing is simply making your money work for you. It's letting that money that you have produce more money. I tried a bit. That was very simple. Making the money that you have produce more money. That's simply investing. However, before you start investing, here are 3 things that you should know, possibly consider before you get into investing. Number 1 is risk tolerance. How high is your risk tolerance? Because let me just tell you now, in investing, you will tend to lose money sometimes. Sometimes the market will go up, it will go down. Not every day is a good day in investing. Are you in it for the long haul? Is your mind strong? Like I said earlier, is your mind strong? At this point, your risk tolerance will save you. Number 2, have an investment strategy. This is so important. Are you in your investment journey for the long term, or are you in it for the short term? So long term meaning that you're probably investing for, say, in the future to probably buy a house, buy a home, just double your income. That is good. Short term is probably you're looking for regular money coming in every month from your investments. That is also good, but you have to have that investment strategy that would help you and guide you in choosing the different things you want to invest in. Number 3, guys, is investing knowledge. This is not some get rich quick scheme. Investing is not some get rich quick scheme. You have to know what you're doing. And knowing what you're doing is because you have done the work. You've read the books, you've taken the courses, you've watched the videos, listened to people's experiences, and now you're doing it. So before you even start investing, good thing you're watching this video, but there's so many other videos, so many other books, so many other things to do, to read upon. Learn about what you're about to go into so that you don't get into investing hot and heartbroken and feel like you lost your money. So very quickly, there are different types of investment accounts, but today let's just talk about 2 very important investment accounts that you can start with if you're in a diaspora. The first one is a brokerage account, and the second one is your retirement account. So a brokerage account, you can look at it as an account that will help you to buy and sell different kinds of investments. So let's say, for example, you're trying to buy a stock, You've heard of bonds, of ETFs. So ETFs is exchange traded funds. You've heard of mutual funds. This account is what would help you to buy and sell these stocks and bonds and all this stuff. So that's just the simple way to put it, guys. Let's not overcomplicate things. Now, most times people use brokerage accounts if they want to buy for like short term, of say they want to, look out for your house, or they're trying to make like monthly income, or they're trying to day trade, stuff like that. This is where most people will use the brokerage account. It is a very good account. It's an account that can help you in the long term, even, especially when you are looking at things like index funds. Those are really good. So if you want to get a brokerage account, if you want to open one, I advise everybody to have a brokerage account. Own one, open one. And the good thing about brokerage accounts is that you don't even have to start with so much money, guys. Like literally, you can start with as little as $5, even less than that, funny enough. The only thing about brokerage accounts is that obviously we live in a tax driven community or country. You have to pay taxes most times when you are trying to sell profits on the stocks or whatever that you buy. So yes, but trust me, it's not crazy like to where you feel like you're losing. So brokerage accounts are very important. They're very good. You can start with as little as $5, $10, and you can go as high as you want to. There are so many really flexible accounts that you can use to buy and to sell, invest in stocks. There are so many. Again, guys, before you invest, even in a brokerage account, in any stock or crypto or whatever, make sure you are doing your due diligence, reading on that stock, reading on the crypto, whatever you're buying. Read on it. For example, Robinhood, they would even give you like a history about the stock you're about to buy. They will tell you about the stock, tell you like the profits it's has done, its losses. All these things are things you should be looking into before you just click and say, oh, I want to buy this. Always be sure you're doing your due diligence on these accounts before you purchase anything. Number 2 we'll talk about is retirement accounts. You're probably familiar with this account if you work in a job that has offered you a 401k. That is a retirement account. The retirement accounts are so good because you are saving for the future. Most times in 401ks, for example, your employer matches whatever contribution you're putting in. Roth IRA, you're basically doing it yourself, but you have a maxed amount every year, which is about, I think for individuals, it's about $7,000. You're able to max out that account. But the good thing about this account is that it's compounding. So the money that you're putting in, you're making money on that plus the profit that is bringing. So the money is doubling every month, every year, like that, as the market gets better. You have to understand that there's power in investing, guys. With any account, be the 401k, the Roth IRA, don't look at it like, oh, I need to put so much money in this account. No, start as little as you can. Like I said, even if it's $10, you are able and comfortable to put into your Roth IRA or 401k or whatever account every month consistently. You do it. Over time, trust me, you will see the power of compound interest. You will see that money double. You will see that money double and increase for you. Again, the side of retirement accounts is, unlike the brokerage accounts, you can't just go in and withdraw your money just like that. Most times, because of these accounts are sometimes government bound, they are required by the IRS for the taxes to be submitted and all that. The retirement accounts have penalties for withdrawing your money before retirement age. So say you want to withdraw your money from a 401k at you're 30 and maybe the retirement account is saying you have to be 65 to withdraw it for free, obviously there'll be a penalty. Now, when you hear a penalty, it doesn't mean that they're going to arrest you or anything like that, but they have like a percentage that they will take more from that money. So if it's something that you want to do, if you're sure that you don't really care about that, then you can go ahead and withdraw your money. But if you can, our advice, just leave the money there and let it work for you. Let it grow over time and let it increase, to your benefit. Just be putting the money there and forget about it. Forget about it. Don't worry about it. Just let it grow. Which is why I said in the beginning of this video, you should have an emergency savings so that money will not be your go-to when life hits hard. You already have a bucket where you've been putting your liquid cash so that you don't have to worry about what you're putting in your Roth IRA, your 401k, or your brokerage accounts. I'll give you an example of why I'm saying this and why I'm pressing hard on this. I remember 2022 or one or two, I had run into some financial struggles, and I had some Bitcoin then, and I think Bitcoin was around for something thousand then, if I'm still right. I'm not sure anymore, but compared to what it is now. But obviously I was like strapped for cash. I sold the Bitcoin I had. Now just think about what I probably would have had now with the crazy increase in Bitcoin if I still had that money now. So I'm saying this, guys, always make sure you have your emergency savings stacked up so that you don't have to sell your investments just like that without letting it grow for you. If you're trying to open a retirement account, a Roth IRA in particular, I use Acorns personally. I'm going to leave a link of my Acorns down in the description box below. You can download it, use it also, especially I think, I don't know if it's allowed in other countries, but I know that for those in the US, it will definitely work for you. So use it and just automate it, guys. It also gives you that option to automate your investment. So if you decide that every month or every week I want to put this particular amount of money, just put it in, and every month it will take that money from your account and just invest it for you into your Roth IRA or your regular investments. So if you're looking to invest in the diaspora, these are the two accounts that you need to know and you need to start from. Just start from these two. The other ones will come as time goes on, and I probably will talk about other investment accounts on this channel here. But if you're starting out in your investment journey, like I said, two accounts you need to have. One, a brokerage account. That way you can buy stocks. You can get to buy stocks of your own choosing, crypto, bonds, whatever, mutual funds, exchange traded funds, ETFs, or get a retirement and you get a retirement account, a Roth IRA, or you maximize the 401k that is being offered by your job. But make sure, guys, that you have these accounts working for you. Like, remember, as I said, the earlier you start to invest, the earlier you get to retire, the earlier you get to enjoy your life. Start early, guys. That's the key. Start early. Don't wait till you're 50 to start investing. If we can all start investing at 20, that would be the ideal time to start. But if you're starting in your 30s and in your 40s, it's not late, but you have to put in extra effort so that you can hit the timeline that you need to. I hope this video has taught you a little or two about investing. If you've liked this video so far, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this video with as many people as possible that you know need to hear this. And I'll be sharing more tips like this on this channel. So guys, definitely subscribe. I'll see you next time on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you and bye-bye.